Ever wonder what one of the most important accessories will be for your Canon M50? In this video, I'll review one of those accessories coming up. Hey guys, this is Robert Klein with the Unboxing Critic. Here in this channel, I review some technology, gadgets, and some really cool stuff. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. At any time, go ahead and check out the YouTube description down below. I'll have all the links and descriptions, everything that you'll need, the show notes of the accessory that I'll be reviewing today. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright, so recently I got a new Canon M50 camera to help with my production here on my YouTube channel and my YouTube videos. And I really did a lot of research in trying to figure out what would be best to add to my camera bag. What would be one of the first things? And I found out that one of the things that you would want to add at first would be batteries. You want to have some extra batteries in case you're out on a shoot and what have you, and you're not running out of power. So I did a little bit of research, went on to Amazon, and I found a really good battery, really good battery set. It's from Wasabi Battery. It was really reasonable on Amazon. It was $25, I believe, and it came with two batteries. Very simple setup. Got a lot of great reviews. As you can see here, it actually comes with two batteries. It has a hardened case to the base. You have your LED lights here. Okay. The really cool thing is that it is USB and a micro USB port that you can plug into and recharge. So I can use my external batteries when I'm out on a shoot or volleyball game or what have you, and I can make sure that everything's good to go. Now the Wasabi batteries is part of what is they call Blue Nook company. They have all kinds of batteries for all kinds of different cameras and what have you. But this one, obviously, these batteries are for the Canon M50. I know they are good with the EOS M, the EOS M10, the M50, obviously, because that's what I have, the 100, the 100D, and the Rebel SL1. Okay, I have used these batteries. I've been playing around with them. Really good quick charge to them. I believe it took about 30 minutes for a full charge. Something really good. Another interesting fact is that the batteries that you have, the one battery that I got with the camera, the Canon M50, actually will fit into here, and these batteries will fit into the charger that I use for, or with the camera where it's just a simple, AC plug-in or outlet. Okay, so they're interchangeable, which is really a cool deal. Again, comes with the two batteries. I believe they're about 1100 milliamps. Like for a 7.2 volt. The batteries last probably a good 30 to 45 minutes of continuous recording. So I've not had any problems with them so far. I don't expect to. It's a really great product. But the one thing that I wanted to kind of look at is what I wanted to add to my bag. And I wanted to share that with you. Well, let me know what you think of that, my new camera, the M50. How does it look? Does the video better than what we've had before? Do you like the look and feel? Let me know in the section down below. And as always, for more videos like this one, make sure you click on the box down here or the box down here for more videos like this one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell, so you're not missing any of my new and upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. This is Robert Klein with the Unboxing Critic. See ya.